Hello children, today we will understand the difference between element and compounds. We know elements, the smallest constituting unit of element is atom, and that atom is so small we cannot see it with the naked eye. So what we did, we'll take these paper clips and we will assume these as atoms, right? So if we assume these different colored of this different color of paper clips as different atoms. So what we did, we are representing yellow clips with the atoms of carbon, blue clips with the atoms of hydrogen, green clips with the atom of oxygen, pink clips with the atom of nitrogen. So this is representing element, carbon element, hydrogen element, oxygen element, nitrogen element. Let us focus on the carbon. In this carbon, each atoms, these yellow color paper clipped are representing atoms. So each atom is of carbon, right? And these atoms are not chemically combined. They are just lying side by side, but see, there's no chemical combination between these two or three clips. And like this, number of atoms are present in a very small amount of carbon. Come to example of hydrogen. In this hydrogen, number of atoms of hydrogen are present and these atoms are not chemically combined at all. Oxygen element, all the atoms, one green color paper clip is representing oxygen atom. So number of oxygen atoms are there which are present in this oxygen element, and these are not chemically combined with each other. So what is the meaning of chemically combination? Chemically combination means when these two paper clips, like let us see this yellow color, let us take blue color. Blue color, we know it is representing hydrogen. When these two are combining chemically, we are representing this chemically combination by this entangle paper clips. So this is representing that these two are chemically combined. So when these are chemically combined, then they will form molecule. Now they are not existing as independent atom. Two atoms of hydrogen are chemically combined and they will form molecule. So let us go back to this. Suppose this ozone, oxygen, here if it is element, all the atoms are lying independently, not chemically combined. But when it comes to ozone, we know the formula is O3. In ozone, all the three paper clips are chemically combined with each other. So this is representing ozone. So this is one molecule of ozone. So if I say this is one atom of oxygen, but this is one molecule of ozone, right? So this is when same kind of atoms combine chemically. I am repeating, same kind of atoms are chemically combined. It is molecule of element. But different kind of atoms can also combine. For example, this carbon can chemically combine with this hydrogen. This hydrogen atom can combine with oxygen. And a very common example we know, water. So when we see the water, see, what is this? Blue color paper clip was representing hydrogen and green color was representing oxygen. So it is two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen are chemically combined. So this is one molecule, this is another molecule. So like this, number of molecules are present in a very small drop of water. So this becomes compound. Here it is element. Another example, let us take of methane. Formula is CH4. In this, from the color of the clips, it is clear yellow color is representing carbon, blue hydrogen. So what is this? It means the formula will be 1 atom of carbon and 4 atoms of hydrogen are chemically combined in this. So I'll show you. See, 1 atom of carbon and 4 atoms of hydrogen are chemically combined. They are not present independently. So they are chemically combined. So when atoms combine chemically in a fixed ratio, they will form compound. When atoms are not chemically combined, they are forming element. So let us categorize now all these into different categories: carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. I am calling all these as elements. Okay, and carbon monoxide, this is left. Carbon monoxide, 1 atom of carbon, 1 atom of oxygen. This is one molecule of compound. So all these are known as compounds. So let us try to differentiate between element and compound. Here the smallest constituting unit is atom. Here smallest constituting unit is molecule, right? And if the molecules which is constituting compound are of different kind, we call it as molecule of compound. If the molecule which is constituting, in which the atoms are chemically combined, of same type, we will call it as molecule of element.